nakaitin nyo kami? Mga nagsastart ng rumors, kayo ang magbago.
Colleen Garcia, palabang sinagot ang basher sa mga chismis na ibinabato kay Billy Crawford dahil sa kanyang viral photo. Kapansin-pansin kasi ang kaibahan ng itsura ni Billy. Lumipis ang kanyang buhok, mukha siyang pumayat at may dark circle siya sa mga mata. Kaya ito ang tanong ng lahat. May pinagdadaanan ba si Billy Crawford? Parang may sakit si Billy. Bakit parang nangangalumata si Billy Crawford? What happened to Billy Crawford? Here's the answer directly from his wife, Colleen.
He has kasi kakagaling din namin sa executive checkup and everything, so he's in good health and everything. Sadyang ano lang talaga, how many years coming together na we have managed to keep his non-makeup appearance from the public. Pero yung totoo is, kaya nung showtime pa lang nagbibiruan naman na sila na, di ba, wala na siyang buhok, na may dark circle siya and everything. It's part of who he is.
Pero sino nga ba ang kumuha ng viral photo na ito?
I just honestly nakakalungkot because ako nag-post nun una. Pero so syempre, di ba, parang hindi kasi it was such the reason why I shared that post is because kakauwi niya lang, jet lag pa siya and everything. It was a nice family moment na parang ang harmless ng intention, ang pure ng intention na andun si Amari kumakain, andun yung lola niya, yung lolo niya, and si Billy. That's why I thought to share it.
It was a special family moment for the Crawfords at shinare din ito ni Colleen dahil marami raw fans na nagre-request ng post about their family life behind cam.
Tapos mag-share kami, tapos nakaitin nyo kami? Talaga? Diba? So, I mean, if you want to see more of these moments from the people you follow, then this is not how you should react, diba? You should respect people's boundaries at the end of the day. Kasi we try to share what we can with everybody. Pero kung ganito yung nangyayari, syempre, mas iisipin natin, ay, wag na lang mag-share.
Naisip daw ni Colleen na mag-stop nang mag-post sa social media, pero ito ang kanyang naging realization.
I'll keep on sharing kasi kami yun eh. And hindi kami ang dapat magbago. Dapat yung mga nanlalait, yung mga nagsastart ng rumors, kayo ang magbago.
Talaga namang palaban si Colleen para sa pamilya and she will make sure na madepensahan sila sa oras ng pangangailangan. In other developments, palaban din si Colleen dahil sa panibagong movie na pinagbibidahan niya with Diego Loizaga, Ang Isang Gabi. Intense ang mga eksena ng pelikula dahil dekalibre din ang mga tao sa likod ng kamera. Isang Gabi is written by the National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts, Mr. Rica Lee. And it was directed by Direk Mac Alejandre.
Wow!
Kaya naman Colleen licked some things from the movie na dapat abangan.
Daring siya for me compared to anything I've done in the past. Pero I figured kasi na, kailangan ko din mag-grow. Feeling ko kasi hindi ko kaya. Feeling ko hindi ko kaya, pero syempre kailangan ma-overcome.
Dahil daring at medyo sexy ang role, ipinaalam niya kaya ito kay Billy?
I mean, lahat naman ng projects ko, alam niya naman. Pero alam niya na may mga scenes na di ako masyadong comfortable na panoorin. Pero sabi niya, it's part of the process, especially yung mga scenes na sensitive. Kasi at the end of the day, it's the story of the character na kailangan ko i-tell. And I feel like kung pinakyut ko, wala namang justice din.
At mukhang napagtagumpayan ni Colleen ang pagsalang sa daring roles dahil according to Direk Mac, they have the perfect cast for Isang Gabi.
Always such an honor to hear good feedback from yung mismong director. Tsaka kasi sila yung nakakaalam ng buong process ng film eh. So as long as nakuha ng director at ng writer ang gusto nila, I feel like na nag-succeed kami then as actors.
Intriguing! Isang Gabi is now showing on cinemas nationwide. So, add Isang Gabi to your watch list and tell us what you think. Follow poplife.ph because you can't miss out.